everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, Best Life Lee. Today, let's do some nails together. I am actually going to, again, shop my stash, and I'm just going to share with you what I have. You're going to think that I'm just a hoarder with my nails, but I have been getting my nails, buying my nails directly from imPress, buying my nails directly from Kiss, or picking them up at my local CVS. But you get more than one manicure out of each box. So I keep them, and this is my little container where I keep all my nail stuff. And as you can see, it's chock-a-block full with all my stuff, nail polish for my toes, and all kinds of other nails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm in the mood for something that's fall-like. So I'm going to choose some nails, and these are the ones that I have on currently. And as you can see, I lost one, but these nails have been on for a week, and these are the press-on. These are the imPress that come with their own glue. And this is the first nail that I lost, and I lost it because I caught it on something and pulled it. So otherwise, I would still have this full set on. And I love it, and I really don't need to change it. But because I lost one, and because I always like to do, to change things up because I get bored with them, or, I just feel like something different, I'm gonna change them out today. So I'm basically looking for something. I know what I'm looking for. It's I had gotten them last year around this time, and they are very fallish. So, oh my god, I have like so many in here. But this is a great way to keep them all so that they're not like all over the place, and I should organize them by color and stuff. Let's see. Of course, the ones that I'm looking for are going to be like the last ones that I come upon. Here they are. So I'm not sure how many of these I have, but these are imPress, so I don't need glue, which actually, that's a good thing. So I don't know how many of these I have, but we're gonna check it out and see if I can do those. So what I'm gonna do right now is get this all back together. All right, so everything's back in there, nice and neat, perfect to hold all my nail stuff. And this is just something I had picked up at Michael's. So yeah, I don't need any glue, which is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off my nails, and like I always do, take off the nails and prep by just giving it a little bit of a file, and then I'm just gonna wipe them all off with a little bit of I think this has got acetone, but maybe not. Yeah, this doesn't have acetone. The best one would be to have acetone, but I'm not gonna run upstairs and get that one. I'm just gonna use this one to clean the nail before I put them on. So yeah, come along. Okay, so we're gonna see what I have. I have a lot here. So I have a lot of the brown. I love this one with the sparkle. And so let's take a look at what I have. So let's see. I think what I will do is something fun. All right, so I'll do some brown. So these be the thumbs. And then maybe what I'll do is I don't have a lot of the brown. So I think what I'll do, are these two the same size here? Yeah, and that actually I'll do my index finger. And then I will do my, oh, I don't really have anything for the pinky finger, do I? Will this work on the pinky? It's a little bit big. Middle, middle. And then ring. Ring. Okay, I have a dilemma for the pinky. So let me see, let's see, actually, these two can go on the pinky. These are gonna go here, that's the middle, and how about if I do, so these are going to be kind of different. So this will be middle and index. Middle and index. Okay. So what I did with the other ones that I had on that really were they lasted perfect. The only reason I lost that one was because I caught it on something and lifted it up. Otherwise, I would have still had them all on there and it would have been perfect. So the trick is obviously you got to press down, press hard, and leave them on there for a good 30 seconds with some good pressure. So I'm going to clean the nails. I'm not even going to trim them this time. They could use a little trimming, but I actually, so what I did was, as you could see, I used this soft, it's a very soft little file here. It's more of a buffer and it protects the nails. You know, it's not like I'm really pressing really hard when I'm taking the glue off from the other nails. So I think it's better than using like a regular file that will take some of the nail off. So we're gonna do these. It's a little different for me, but it's fun and it's for the weekend. It doesn't even have to be just for the weekend, obviously. So again, it's the little peel-offs. And this might be a little bit bigger than my nail, and that could be a problem, but I'm making it work. So I'm going to just hold this on here and apply a decent amount of pressure. Because I think the heat from your hands as you press down activates the glue. And like I said, I got these last year. And what I also try to do is like move the skin around that cuticle and around that nail to kind of get it to fit. If this should be a little smaller, but we're going with it. And I'm just going to do that all the way around with all these nails. And right now the time is 11:56. So I'm going to speed this up, but I will let you know what time it is when I'm all done. it is 12:02. So that took me 6 minutes. So here's the nails and the name of these, and I know they're still available on the imPress website. These are called Found You. And link them below, obviously. And I will link the ones I had on too, just in case you liked those. But yeah, so a little bit different for me, but fun. I'm gonna have these on and just enjoy the fun, whimsical nails that I did myself, all at no cost because these were from last year. And I had done a little bit of a nail haul last year, and I think when I did these, I did all brown because obviously that was what I had the least of. All brown plus this. But I really like that nail. I think that nail is so cool. So yeah, a 6-minute manicure at no cost to me. So yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying these nail videos. I'm just going to do a few here and there because you guys seem to like the nail videos. Again, this is a channel that's all about creating my best life and hopefully inspiring you to create your best life. So to me, being able to do these at home and not sit in a manicurist's chair for an hour and not spend, you know, $40 a month plus tips, so that's probably $60-70 a month getting them done at the nail salon. To me, I can use that money buying shoes. No, just kidding. But not really kidding. But anyways, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for checking in. I hope you will come back soon. I love your comments, and I look forward to them every time. So take care. I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.